Our final element within the IQA plan is the sample plan and tracking sheet. Now, for those of you who are new to a sample plan and tracking sheet, this is identifying simply what you are going to sample, from whom, and also when as well. A sample plan is typically looking at the learner work which has been marked by a tutor or assessor. It could also be just sampling perhaps a witness statement. It could be any type of feedback which is typically written, provided from the assessor to the learner. Okay, so the observation plan is obviously seeing the verbal feedback, whereas consider the sample plan is very much the written feedback as well. So both elements are important. In regards to this sample plan, again, it's staying with the subject of level 2 in customer service. Now, for this sample plan, we have the name of the one assessor here, P. Jones at the top. The units just across the top. So we have unit 101 all the way to 105. We also have a summative assessment column as well. Now, along this column, we have the different learners as well. So it's very good practice to have one sample plan and tracking sheets per assessor or trainer. If you're new to writing perhaps a sample plan, then perhaps use an Excel spreadsheet and have different pages for each of the assessor or trainers that you are going to be monitoring. Okay, now once you have selected the learners, you can then decide what elements of the course or units that are going to be sampled. Okay, there are different methods for sampling, such as you can perhaps have a random sample, very much picking the learner names out the hat. There are also horizontal or vertical methods of selecting your learners. This one here is a diagonal approach, so taking an element of marking from different units for each learner as well. But this is personal choice. It's down to you as the IQA. So for this criteria, what we would like for you to do is a paragraph of information explaining what is the purpose of a sample plan and tracking sheets. You can also include what style of your sample plan is going to be presented. Where is it going to be held perhaps? If you've already produced a sample plan, then feel free to perhaps put a picture on your assignments as well. But what is the purpose of a sample plan and tracking sheets?